ya se wi ase wi mu se wan ka se tro e wi bone ana se wan fe wo se a obi hu se oyam ye oya ana se komodo ana aboa no wo ka ni bi de what does here ebusi media so demonstration be cost so de 2023 batch of unemployed teacher trainees omu as demonstration as ewa crab one after say pop up on the internet after the budget reading said 206 rimpa the massa employment there ya mutu omu hwe ehe ni ato konesa bla bi isi am get here no demonstration e cost ewa crab me man chiri na chere wadwen amame ewa comment section ayi Penyah block media mesro say need him over like his video not that one subscribe button now back click notification icon the latest update now back to the wide and amame ewa comment section mess also ba so not share for so anya bi ahwe eti woni media dance e ya adwene say now no Mahama ohia Guinness World Record as president ya na pencil the first year demonstrations are hold wa course na pencil e was a Guinness World Record eti no Mahama bodini e wa Ghana ha ko wa ya de I wasn't needing contract mu ye document to one more. What he has here demonstrated against president in his first year. Oh, massa. I was saying to me, a man about the man golden medal or boy juma. Now all them said Mama Tana Kunyaso and a demonstration as I say a course our Ghana Hanamo. Ana a move be a teachers for my school tifie I am for Mojuma. That time when you my for Mojuma. That time no. Na a omua. Ya for Mojuma last year. Na o my juma echo a year near. Na yentia omuka. Omu na tisi montres be demonstration. Omu and I get it to the street. Na omu ebe demonstration. Even in the course of that demonstration, Ghana police clash with them. Just the police for no clash here. Ana eni enya just na entwe but normal. Emma is a nurses for almost no post to my adwuma a year near training almost yentu omuka no. Almost hit the street. Demonstration. Emma after that no me was an ancient kwa nche bia. Junior doctors almost no ye post to last year. Oma ya adwuma afe any a training almost nya ketua emom ga say de be omo go strike. The first time in history of Ghana doctors go strike e Ghana enye nurse doctors go strike. Just say enye easy ema na obi a transa keni bia atu be read the next budget year e bia na adepa bi every Nazareth aba. Last week Thursday no ene kopie mo Ghana Parliament for budget reading and hearing. Na Ato Forson bro dem bibrebe so ala se we obaka election time no omo ka kire teachers for nurses for the say ye betwa alawa mu se de be ya ye betimi SCC more schools na teachers for mu be we school no ye benya ba bi di ma hyehye be for modwuma na for nurses for no ye betwa alawa even kra no eye nurses for na ne demand dey say ye ntwa alawa mu ne emphasize hospitals na omu we school ye mfa ma omu adwuma enye omu kwa make that demand and I say rent need for etiase but no mu claim say omba still they will pay the alawa end on be say hospital we ya automatic posting ye be for adwuma e ma no to omu nyina etirimti no mebunu genzi for omu nyina koto ma Mahama if say 2013 na omu esua omu ya nkoda if ya 2013 na sa genzi for omu ya nkoda omu hu de Mahama eye because 2013 ana Mahama eltena yedene tena konwa to 2013 no 2013 at over Mahama tena konwa so that 2013 crowd na e no go fa 3-month pay policy e buy say as public servant o ye adwuma 3 years 2 years no obetua abos me miensa aketua ana ama e that time nurses for kura ka say o meko on strike.
The national leadership of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association has given government 14 working days to abolish the policy whereby workers are paid only 3 months arrears after working for 2 or 3 years.
National President Kweku Asante-Krobia was speaking at a news conference here in Accra.
In 2013, government introduced the 3-month payment policy, where public sector workers who had worked for more than 2 years were paid only 3 months arrears.
We hereby call for the abolition of this 3-month salary arrears policy and call on the Ministry of Health and its agencies, as well as the Ministry of Finance, to revert to the old policy where all salary arrears are paid at a go.
It has given government 14 working days to abolish the policy or risk a nationwide strike.
1st to 6th of November, the wearing of red bands. 7th to 13th of November, withdrawal of all outpatient department services, only emergency and maternity cases will receive attention. And 14th November 2016 onwards, industrial action begins.
Again, the association was worried that over 2,000 of its members have still not received their salary arrears, while some of them have worked for 16 months without salary. The association is disturbed that the Ghana Health Service is charging between 100 and 160 cedis from nurses before conducting interviews to promote them.
We therefore call on the Director General of the Ghana Health Service to halt this arrangement and to desist from this obnoxious practice in the coming years. If the trend continues next year, the association will definitely advise itself. Meanwhile, we advise our members to desist forthwith from paying any interview fees to any facility where they have to attend interviews.
On psychiatric nurses, the association asked government to provide the resources, while entreating government to also immediately transfer second-tier funds to the custodians.
Teachers for your demonstration kesiye a press conference ahodoɔ telling the government said they should back off from that policy. That time na Gen Z for no more school mu 2024 election time no mu nyamu yankoda to be hu Mahama yi omu ni Mahama omu ni Mahama no omu ni mo ti bi hu se omu tu kwenkwen na eye mesre mu ba mani agenda no hunue na mo rebe ho na mosu yesu na kan na and go free a few moments later be ba na munya obotire kwenkwen no e ba da kwankwan munya obotire e buza a few moments no aba Ato Forson everyday budget na nyina ye twen ye tie the employment ebeko eduru o kire mu se nurses for motifie nkoan backlogs etwam 150,000 students keso mu nyina tifia o mu nyina o ma ko school ewi o mu qualify o ma wi o mu national service o mu tifia e was aban for mu adwuma nurses for nkoan no etwam 150,000 no be ya den 70 employee mu teacher for Edan Chen na onu say in history of Ghana teaching adwuma bi anka uwie school uwie ya adwuma da ho akoye but 2023 batch no mu wie na o be national service 2024 no o mu tifie 2025 posting bia ama ye correct one say so o mu say nim o mu shebre say posting ebeba ana posting emma because Ato Forson ma to wie na posting bia enim employment bia encounter meanwhile government appointees MMDCs DC for ne MC for ne sankofo no you know something o market no moji at first na 50 million and the cook for the time but now no o mu budget 350 million 35,000 Ghana cedis presidential staffers Felix Motiko Achemo akatua a o moji no now ya sa to mu 67%. Teachers for nurse for crown to make a buy ya mo just 9%. But presidential staffers GCC just say sika wo man ni mu but empenifo na sika ne se ne kwa eno and now some teachers for na ebusun ene 2023 batch of teacher training o ma wes committee and also careful mo dwuma 2025 fie no o ma testimony train na demonstration akese enye easy
so ye moda au mame so ye moda anka baya dai na ya ya deswa e moi e du mahame e to me deswa au na so ye moda au mahame so ye moda au mahame Auma me so ye moda Auma me so ye moda anke baya dai na ya na su na deswa e moi e meento me fire deswa empty promises. There's no hope in this NDC government. There's no hope. We are tired. Why? There's no hope. There's no hope. Why? It's a promise. Are you not Ghanaian? Fake promises. We need a clearance now. Economy. 24-hour economy. 24 hours unemployment. 24-hour economy.
Depending on our parents. 2 years in the house. Depending on our parents. After completing kind of education. They should just close the school down. They should close and just apply for leave. And after 6 months, they'll be recruited. They must fulfill their promise. What they tell them, they must fulfill. We are not against them. I'm saying it again. We are not against them. We want them to earn our respect. We want them to earn our respect until they abuse it. We want them to earn our respect until they abuse it. That's what I'm saying.
You soon be posted, and that they cannot recruit you or give you employment. So you are in the house, you know what to do, depending on still our parents, and our parents are on board with us because they sent us to school to get work to do and also will cater for our younger ones, our siblings, and now we have become a burden to them. And now we are pleading with the Ministry of Finance, that's Honorable Ato Forson, that he should grant us financial clearance soon, so that we can start where God will in January. That's the second term of the academic year. Thank you very much.
So for now that you are not working, what are you doing at home?
We are in the house, now becoming a liability to our parents. We are not doing any work. since when you go to any sector or any firm to work with them, you tell you that you are from a college of education and you posted soon. Because of that, you cannot do anything. We are still in the house with our certificates lying down, and our licenses are going to expire, God will, in January. Whilst we've not been post to work. Thank you very much. I'm coming from Kasua.
We are done with 1 year mandatory national service, which was required of us. And we are done with everything. We just need our recruitment. The government don't recruit us, yet they are recruiting security personnel. We don't to do galamsey. We don't to become armed robbers. We don't to perform money rituals. We just need our employment. Let's go.
Like a certificate ever expired. Now I said we seek our renew. It doesn't make sense. Me personally, I have written letters, application letters, printed my CVs, submitted my resumes to a lot of institutions who could be almost say, what they say about posting with the infam. I have by Basani, I bet next. The parents will be fed up with us. Someone said, you are every posting, yet I transfer. Yes, the case, I buy a posting. It's young. I buy so a post here, the near to this why you move away. Move having such an honorable grant us financial care. Some of your
But people are thinking we failed our ancestors. My certificates are here. I have passed everything. But look at it. My colleagues' phone are also there. They have passed. But see, we have passed everything. But look at it. We have passed. This is my national service. I have passed my national service. This is my certificate. Give it to me. But Lego. But still, we are in the house. We have passed. Look at them. All the certificates they need. We have them. I'm a second-class upper holder. But look at me. I'm just in the house. I love to talk to my people.
College of Education, November 2023. This is exactly 2 years. We are in November again, 2025. 4 years in college, 2 years in the house. Now, our license is expiring in 2026. We have not even used it. So now, when the license is expired and it's not being used, will the government tell me to pay to renew it, or he'll renew it for me free? That is another question for the government. Secondly, when the clearance is being declared, they should give it to us. They should not add any other, like the other people. They should just be specific. This clearance is for 2023 year group training college, so that we will know our left and right. Thank you.
Don't worry. So are you saying the minister has lied to teachers? Yes.
Abusia, we shall fly here that way. Now you're next me, and I see you now to feel. Now we hope you say this year you're in post you. But next year the heading ya nyame adom ebi na ebeti post you. So say according to the finance minister no, or say okay the way Ghana economy ne etie no and the way esika samtie na. Enya de a obetimi post next ni and as teacher ni next year. Areho say obeko school awie, obe national service awie. Now what 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, now impost you. Now can be by next year day, Jabian Yamia Adom. But near Babon to say, yet me post you. A banisano abomobu, be bring a burden among parents are, and yet allocatua. We are president, and as we are minister. Next year we say, when you Pablo swap, and so putting measures in place, as a year at least no, in the pana you produce someone or momoso. Minoka say, I did ya de senino, a man for corners in school. Private any other ketua. Measures being in Wakaswa, ye be copy, and the pie for mono. And by next 5 years, no, in Panama busu, and nay, over to your may be about so Ghana for next for or more experience, or more maybe 2 years, 3 years, a big crap or more specialty courses. A be more my emergency courses, a more my be a perioperative courses, a be more my critical care courses near that now on promo. Now the army was say Ghana hospitals no ye nurse no abusu ana. Meanwhile no from Chip compound Equity Teaching Hospital, Kolebu Teaching Hospital and Conference Teaching Hospital no ukwa ward bia na omu hia staff. but abandon so this car or the empress nurses no akosa hospitals we mu. But government no the same finance minister and say oba be increase presidential staffers any MCs for almost salary to 67%. Embre pinu na we see na bia obi the politics na enwan dis ne bia ba say ana MPP time omo ye say ana say omo kra no nurse for say no posti wo mo enu ti na ye to aba oman bia to aba change president for positive change na ye to aba enyi leader say na ometoa enema bone na abanda da na ye no so enu ti na ye to aba minimum say ye nwa no bi nurse ni bi ana bia ti ye ni bi to aba ma NDC say oba at least no awe posti no na ye dwuma ye but send back way by here what is that news na bomobu why disappointed ye mu o man sa ye ni nipa blosa Ghana for you for be be esugo mu be na so mo padwuma no omo so na babo kira omo ye dwuma e ma ne bro so no ye nya leaders o ndire bia no obi tu kwan babo kira na so unu say empedifo no amo Ghana no sebe omo de say bia me hu dem campo because like I don't want to insult anyone because odwuma won ti ase Ebedi say abuchiri obitime wi nursing school e wa abuchiri no atene fie 1 year 2 years ni posti no wonti bi da eso de bia Africa especially Ghana me say ana me hu dem because obi akọ nursing school akosua skills etifie ne skills ni nya obi lo su ne skills o trafie 4 years na posti na experience na free school buy and onya experience no e be take almost 2 years and say na otimi grab sa experience na onya na fresh wo school no e ba ne sa na wo na wo ye Ghana ni na obekọ Ghana hospitals no wo na opomudin no eye at risk de bia meka say minister na wo hye sam na ne de ana president ne de wo yare a obablo chiri na ye no na ye train ye yie no yakosa na yare na wo na wo ye ho MPP NDC no wo akohia sa nurse ni na sebsebi no ni experience no ewu no no na akosa yare abusia are ho na oye okaka sa na tinti no ye be jama nyame nyame nke ho
Chire wadwe mame e wo comment section ayi Penyah Block Media Accra.